So today we will be talking about the cells of crypts of lieber Kuhn. So what is crypts of lieber Kuhn? Actually, I have talked about this gland in a previous video. Actually, this is a gland. This is a gland which is present in the mucosal membrane, which is present in mucosa between two villi. Right? Last time we have talked about the structure. Like consider this is a villi and this is another villi, so it is present like this, like between two villi, and it is quite hidden. That's why it is known as crypts, right? So let's talk about the cells of this crypts of lieber Kuhn, right? So basically there are, first of all, we are having the cell which are known as goblet cells, which are quite common, right? Goblet cells. Okay, what is the work of these goblet cells? Basically, these goblet cells release mucus and bicarbonate ions, right? And what is the work of mucus over here? To neutralize the effect of HCl. Okay, as we know that the chyme comes from stomach is highly acidic, okay, and the pH has to be converted into alkaline so that the enzymes in the duodenum work, because the optimum like the optimum pH which is required by the enzymes that work in duodenum is alkaline. So obviously this mucus has to convert that acidic pH into alkaline. So for that, mucus is over here that will neutralize the effect of HCl, and basically the pH is like the mucus pH is 8 pH, which is alkaline, right? Which is alkaline. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now second, we are having the cells which are known as enteroendocrine cells. Enteroendocrine cells. Basically these are also known as enterochromaffin cells. These are also known as enterochromaffin cells. Okay, what is their function? Basically they release hormone which is known as histamine. They release the hormone which is known as histamine, which is helpful in GI motility. Now what is this GI motility? GI motility. Okay, GI means gastrointestinal tube. GI means this, and motility means contractions. Basically here it means the contractions of muscles. The contractions of muscle. This GI motility means contractions of muscles of gastrointestinal tube. So the enteroendocrine cells, which are also known as enterochromaffin cells, release hormone which is known as histamine and which is responsible for the GI motility, right? I hope this is clear to you. Third, we are having argentafin cells. Argentafin cells. Okay, these argentafin cells release a neurotransmitter, you can say, which is known as serotonin. Right? Fourth, we are having panth cells. Okay, what are these panth cells? Panth cells, actually they release some enzymes. These release some enzymes which are known as local enzymes. Basically local enzymes. Okay, why we are saying that these are local enzymes? Basically, these enzymes are also present in the pancreatic juice, and so they will be known as pancreatic. For example, if we are having amylase, also if we are having maltase. Okay, so in if it's present, I consider if it's present in pancreatic juice, we'll say pancreatic maltase, pancreatic sucrase, or pancreatic lipase. But if it's present over here, we'll say only lipase, only maltase, only lactase, like this. So these are local cells. These include, for example, we are having lysozyme, lysozyme, right, which works as antibacterial. Actually, it degrades the cell wall of the bacteria. Lysozyme, which works as an antibacterial, right, antibacterial. Now, fifth, we are having stem cells, basal stem cells, basically basal stem cells, right. What is their work? Actually, they are the precursor cells. They are the precursor cells, like from them other new cells are developed. So that's why they are known as precursor cells or basal stem cells. So I hope this is clear to you, and it will help in the formation of new cells. Like this is the work of precursor cells. Formation of new cells. So I hope this is clear to you.